Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe of restaurant style crispy potato wedges. Let's start making. Here I have taken 3 large potatoes. I have washed them really well because I will keep the skin of the potatoes in this recipe. So it is absolutely necessary to remove all the dirt from the skin of the potatoes. Now I have sliced them lengthwise. The width should be around half centimeter. Again I am washing them in fresh water after chopping. Now in a deep pan or heavy bottom saucepan, put the potato slices. Add water so that all the potato slices can dip inside it. And finally put 1 teaspoon salt in it. Boil them on medium flame until a fork can be easily inserted in the potato slices. Now take them out of the flame. Keep boiled potatoes aside. Now add oil for deep frying the potatoes in a kadhai and start heating the oil on high flame. The oil must be well heated. While the oil is heating, let's prepare the batter. For the batter, I have taken half cup plain flour or maida, 1/4 cup corn flour and 1/4 cup rice flour in a bowl. Now I am adding 1 clove finely chopped garlic in it. Here you can add garlic powder instead of chopped garlic. Next I am adding salt as per taste, and after it adding 1 tablespoon pepper powder in it. Finally I am adding 1 teaspoon melted butter in it. Now combine them well. Gradually add water to it and make a runny batter. There should be no lumps. Now our oil is ready. Dip the potatoes in the batter, remove the excess and put them in hot oil for deep frying until they are golden brown. On medium flame, it will take around 7 minutes. Put them on a tissue paper to remove extra oil. Serve them hot with tomato sauce or any other dip of your choice. The perfect potato wedges should be crisp from outside and fluffy from inside. Enjoy it as your evening snacks.